In this video, I'm going to tell you how much money you can make as an affiliate for DSers, which is an AliExpress dropshipping tool that you can use if you're a dropshipper. Now, I've included the link in the description of this video to DSers if you want to try it out. Later in the video, I'm going to tell you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company where I just posted a few short videos on the same channel that you're watching right now. Most of these videos didn't even get 10 views and it still made a pretty decent amount of money. So I'm going to show you that. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the best way to learn how to do affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. So you definitely don't want to miss that. Now let's take a look at the DSers affiliate program. So as you can see, you can apply to become an affiliate for DSers pretty quickly. You can just click this button right here and it takes you through the sign up page. Once you're registered and you get your link, you can just start promoting it, and you can actually earn anywhere from 10 to 30% of the subscription revenue generated from your link for up to 12 months. So if you promote your link and someone buys it, you can make between 10 to 30% every single month for up to a year. So the exact details will actually be available to you once you actually click this button and sign up, and you'll get added to the introductory affiliate level. So now let's take a look at the other software that I was actually promoting and how much money it made me. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.